Developing low Earth orbit satellite ground equipment domestically has always been a key focus of Taiwan. The ground equipment, especially the user terminals, includes a software-defined radio platform, radio frequency chip, large phased array antenna, and high-speed beam steering technology. Compared to Starlink services, our user terminal boasts a 10% improvement in transmission performance, offering high-throughput data capabilities with 200 megabits per second uplink and 400 megabits per second downlink. The prototype of self-developed satellite user terminal has been upgraded to 1024 large phase array antenna version. The terminal operates in the K-band frequency range, providing large bandwidth and the potential for integration with 5G millimeter waves. Through technology transfer and collaboration, we aim to help domestic manufacturers secure international orders and capitalize on the vast opportunities in the space industry.